In this video, I will show you how to use the HubSpot Breeze AI feature. If you want to work faster with AI inside your CRM for content, sales, and customer insights, this will help you get started quickly. First, log into your HubSpot account and open the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, find the section called Breeze, or AI Tools. This is where all AI features are grouped, including Breeze, Assistant, Agents, and Embedded AI tools. Next, click on Breeze Overview. This is the main control center. Inside here, you'll see options like Breeze Assistant, which works like a chatbot inside HubSpot. You can click Try Breeze Assistant to start using it immediately. You can ask it to summarize contacts, create emails, generate reports, or even help you build workflows. Now, if you want to use Breeze AI inside your daily work, go to any CRM area like Contacts, Deals, or Marketing Emails. You will notice AI options such as Generate, Summarize, or Refine. For example, you can open a contact record and click Summarize Record to get a full AI summary of that customer in seconds. Finally, use Breeze AI to save time in everyday tasks like writing emails, analyzing data, or creating content. Everything is connected directly with your CRM data, so the AI gives more accurate and personalized results. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.